to the place where the laughter flows.
Hello, hello, my brilliant Brainy Bubbles. Welcome back to Brainy Bubbles Academy, where words come alive and learning is a total party. Today we're diving into two super-duper figures of speech that are guaranteed to make your sentences sizzle: hyperbole and irony. These are like the fireworks and plot twists of the language world, and we're going to have a blast exploring them. So, grab your word wizard wands and let's make some language magic happen. In our last adventure, we played with similes, metaphors, and personification, turning sentences into dazzling word pictures. If you missed it, don't worry, you're still a brainy bubble in our book. Just check out our previous video. Today we're cranking up the fun with hyperbole, which is all about going big, and irony, which loves to surprise you with a cheeky twist. We've got tons of examples, a fun quiz, and even a challenge to unleash your inner word artist. Ready to bubble up? Let's go. First up, hyperbole. This figure of speech is like turning the volume up to 11. It's all about exaggerating to make a point. When you use hyperbole, you're saying something is way bigger, better, or crazier than it really is, and it's so much fun. Here are 6 wild examples to show you what we mean. 1. I'm so hungry I could eat an entire elephant. See what we did there? 2. This homework is going to take me 1,000,000 years to finish. 3. Her smile lit up the room brighter than 1,000 suns. 4. My backpack weighs as much as a planet. 5. I've been waiting for the bus since the dinosaurs roamed. 6. He's got enough energy to power a rocket to Mars. And here's an extra bonus. Number 7. This ice cream is so good I could cry an ocean of tears. See what we did there? Is it really possible to cry an ocean? Of course not. Hyperbole makes everything feel epic, like you're starring in your own blockbuster movie. It's perfect for grabbing attention or making someone laugh. But use it wisely. It's like adding hot sauce. A little goes a long way. Now let's talk about irony, the figure of speech with a mischievous grin. Irony is when you say or expect one thing, but the opposite happens or is meant. It's like the universe is playing a prank on you. There are a few types of irony, but today we'll focus on situational irony, when what happens is the opposite of what you expect, and verbal irony, when you say the opposite of what you mean. Here are 9 examples to tickle your brain. 1. The fire station catches fire. Talk about bad luck. 2. Saying, what a genius, when someone forgets something obvious. 3. A weather forecaster gets soaked because they forgot an umbrella. 4. The sign says no littering, but it's surrounded by trash. 5. Wow, you're so punctual to someone who's an hour late. 6. A lifeguard who can't swim. Yikes. 7. The quiet zone in the library is the noisiest place in town. 8. A chef who burns their own dinner at home. Number 9. In a movie, someone says, "Don't worry, it's safe," right before disaster strikes. Irony is like a plot twist in your favorite show. It keeps things interesting and makes you think, wait, what just happened? All right, Brainy Bubbles. It's time to put your skills to the test with our fun time. I'll give you 5 sentences, and you decide if it's hyperbole or irony. Pause the video, shout out your answer, and see if you're a figure of speech champ. Ready? Here we go. I've been studying for this test since the dawn of time. Guess the figure of speech? The answer is hyperbole. The world's best coffee shop serves the worst coffee ever. What figure of speech are we hitting on? The answer is irony. My dog's bark could wake up the entire galaxy. Can you guess? The answer is hyperbole, a fitness coach who takes the elevator to the gym. This one is quite simple. What's the answer? The answer is irony. And the last one is, this heat is so bad I'm melting into a puddle. Guess the answer? The answer is, but first, can you guess again? Except you are very certain about your answer. So, the answer is hyperbole. How many did you get right? If you nailed them all, you're a Brainy Bubbles superstar. If you missed a few, no sweat. Let's keep practicing. Now it's your turn to shine. I want you to create one hyperbole and one example of irony. For hyperbole, think of something you love, like pizza, and exaggerate it to the max. Maybe, this pizza is so delicious I could eat a skyscraper of slices. For irony, imagine a funny situation where the opposite of what's expected happens, like a dog trainer whose own dog never listens. Share your creations on our Brainy Bubbles Academy page or in the comments below. We can't wait to see your word magic in action. Oh my goodness, Brainy Bubbles, you're absolutely rocking this. Hyperbole and irony can be tricky, like catching a bubble before it pops. But you're getting the hang of it. Every time you try, you're turning your words into a dazzling show. Keep playing with these figures of speech, and soon you'll be tossing out hyperboles and ironic zingers like a pro. I'm so proud of you. And that's a wrap for today's bubbly adventure. But the fun doesn't stop here. In our next video, we're diving into the musical world of alliteration and onomatopoeia. Think tongue twisters and sound effects that'll make your sentences sing. Until then, keep bubbling with creativity, stay curious, and share your hyperbole and irony masterpieces with us. This is Brainy Bubbles Academy signing off. See you soon, word wizards. Bye-bye for now.
Bubble, goodbye, it's time to leave. We learned, we smiled, we made new friends. With messy hair, but we grew so bright. Brainy bubbles shine so well in sight. Stay smart, stay kind, keep that joyful heart. Bubble energy will never let depart. Early to school